Happy New Year. You guys are watching this in 2022, but in present day it is the 19th of December 21. I am in the Uber right now. We are on the way to South Bombay with these two munchkins. Hi, hello.
Hi.
I can't see you guys right now, but can you say hi?
Hi.
And we have Paro Khala. Hi, Paro Khala. Just as the title may have told you, we're about to go do at least my very first Mumbai Darshan. Rayan's already been on one before and with your school, and somehow I have never been on a Mumbai Darshan tour before. This is something I've been so excited for such a long time. I want to kind of see my own city through a different lens, and since I wanted to do it, I thought I'd take the kids along with me because this will be like a fun picnic day for them. We've all been at home pretty much locked down for so long that this seemed like such a fun thing to do. Jerry is not going to be joining us today. He is at home, he's chilling. It is a Sunday, but you are going to be meeting Sheikh as well as Deviation a bit because they're coming along with me through the day. It's like a little picnic, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, we're about to get onto the C-Link. I will give you guys all the details about the tour, the details. This is not sponsored. I will make sure I give you every single piece of information all through the day. So stick around and let's hang out, and Happy New Year again. Okay, so the tour starts from them telling you to go and just explore the gateway of India for about half an hour. It's 11:10 and we have to go back to the ticket counter by 11:30. The tour starts at 11:30 and then that's where we get onto the bus, which is an AC bus that we booked. We booked a ticket for all of us. And that's where the official tour starts from. In case you've never been to Bombay before, of course, make sure to, catch the Gateway of India. You'll also see the very iconic Taj Mahal Hotel right here. Coming here in the morning is a lot better, like at 7:30. So in case that's something you want to do on your own, that time slot is a lot better. It's a lot less sunnier. You'll get nicer pictures and it will be empty at that time.
Okay. Turn it around to the hotel.
Okay.
That hotel. So basically, there's this story that's real. So there was this one hotel somewhere in some country, I forgot which country, that had a sign saying no Indians.
Okay.
So some guy went there, I can't remember, someone went there and he got really mad. So he created this hotel that said no people from that country or whatever.
Okay.
And he trapped the guy who made that hotel in here for some amount of years.
Oh my god, that's not a real story, right?
That is.
No, it's not. That hotel was started by Ratan Tata, the Tata Group.
I really don't know.
It's
That's what my tour guide told me.
नेहरू पार्क एंड बोट हाउस, और जहाँ पे अभी हम लोग खड़े हैं इस सर्कल का नाम डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी चौक, एरिया कुलाबा। यहाँ से आप लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ ध्यान दीजिए। ये बिल्डिंग जो देख रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर, पुलिस मुख्यालय। अभी हम लोग जिस रोड में जिस एरिया से क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, इस एरिया का नाम है नेरीमैन पॉइंट। इस एरिया के अंदर जितने टावर बिल्डिंग आप देख रहे हैं ना, टोटल ऑफिस है, एक बिल्डिंग रहने के लिए नहीं है। राइट साइड व्हाइट बिल्डिंग मंत्रालय, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफिस, महाराष्ट्र के सीएम उद्धव ठाकरे, इसके हेड ऑफिस इसके अंदर है। यहाँ पे जितने इस एरिया के अंदर जो आप बिल्डिंग देख रहे हैं टोटल ऑफिस है। हिंदुस्तान के जितने छोटे बड़ी कंपनी इसके हेड ऑफिस। आज एरिया खाली नजर आ रहा है, किसके लिए? संडे की वजह से। मंडे से फ्राइडे आते यहाँ पे चलने के लिए जगह नहीं मिलेगा। डेली रोजाना 4 से 5 लाख पब्लिक डेली यहाँ पे काम करने लाते हैं। लेफ्ट साइड अशोक स्तंभ बिल्डिंग देख रहे हैं, जाली लगा बिल्डिंग, ये होगा महाराष्ट्र विधानसभा असेंबली हॉल। बगल में जो लाल टाली बंगले नजर आ रहे पूरे मंत्री लोग को रहने के लिए दिया गया है। रोजाना 4 से 5 लाख पब्लिक यहाँ पे काम करने लिए आते हैं। यहाँ पे कोई नया आदमी आता है, रेलवे स्टेशन जाना है, चर्च गेट और बेटी, इसको रास्ता नहीं मालूम है, इसको रास्ता खोजने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है। शाम के वक्त सीधी रोड पे खड़े रहना है, जो ऑफिस बंद होता है ना, घर जाने का टाइम होता है, आपको चर्च गेट जाना है, बेटी स्टेशन जाना है, आपको कैसे जाना है, आपको रास्ता खोजने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। बाकी काम पब्लिक कर देते हैं, धक्के मार मार के पहुंचा देते हैं। लेफ्ट साइड आने वाला बिल्डिंग दिखाई देगा आपको, एक्सप्रेस टावर एयर इंडिया बिल्डिंग के हेड ऑफिस। 1993 सेकेंड बम ब्लास्ट इसके अंदर हुआ था। फर्स्ट गेट देख रहे हैं, आगे से सेकेंड गेट के ग्राउंड के अंदर 1993 सेकेंड बम ब्लास्ट।
The shoebox. Okay, so we're kind of at like stop number 3 right now. Stop number 2 we didn't really get to do because the guide kind of messed up in giving us timing. We're about to go inside Hanging Gardens and I'm really hoping that the shoebox is like open because I think the kids will really enjoy it. And let's be honest, so will I. Yeah, cute. Remember I was telling you when you heard chapati instead of chapati? She heard chapati instead of chapati and she was so confused. She was like, why is it called Chapati Beach? No? You approve? You approve of your photos? Or ask for food things without checking with Popo first.
She loves to try everything.
She will eat everything.
Everything.
Me also. Maisa, will you eat Popo? Yes. कुछ नहीं है hanging garden में तो. Hanging garden is not so hanging. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a great place to come and like take walks and stuff, but there's no like activity for the kids.
It should be called
No hanging garden.
Leaf Garden.
Leave garden.
Because they have sculptures everywhere. Sculpture.
Okay, this one's gonna be a miss, but we're gonna be doing Kamla Nehru again for sure. It's 12:43 right now and we are the first people to get here, which is great. I always like to be on time and not waste anybody else's time. Tell me something. Babies, are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes? What did you just ask me when the camera was off from myself? What did you ask me about coming back here?
Can we come back here?
Yeah, that's what she was saying. Are you having that much fun? Okay, we're gonna come back here irrespective of Mumbai Darshan, okay? Rayan, what are you eating?
Dosa.
Cheese dosa. And we have team pav bhaji happening in 1, 2 and this third one. Parokhala kya kha rahe ho?
Dosa. Masala dosa.
Masala dosa. And I'm sharing pav bhaji with her and cheese dosa with him. Come on, let's eat.
So, this was our lunch stop. We were actually supposed to eat at the hotel, but for some reason we stopped by this place. It's almost time to leave. We are about to leave now. This guy is getting the bill. So now we are going to go to the bus. It's most likely going to be closed because it's supposed to open again at like 1:50 or something. Almost time to go to the bus. So let's just log. Okay, I'm done.
So basically, Ryan, go there again. It's like my body. No, stand straight. My body, his body. It's like this confusing thing where there's a mirror. Oh, there's no mirror here. There's a mirror here and there's no mirror here. It's so deceiving and fun. Look, I go from here. This is my hip. And then I go here. And you can see my knees and my legs, and you can see my feet if Romaisa wasn't there, and me here. And then you can't see me here, and then you can see me here. It's so funny. I understand why this area is meant for children. It's a lot more fun than everything else. Oh, fun with mirrors. Hi, look. Oh my God, look at us here. And what do you look like here? We look so tall. Does it work?
Yes. 1 second. Try putting the camera through.
Yeah. Can you handle these many alarms? I don't know. So the ball goes as high as fast as you cycle, and the kids just saw somebody else doing this while we were leaving for the next thing, and it looks like they both want to try it. Who's going first? So once the ball goes all the way up, it goes all through the circuit that you're seeing and eventually comes back. Well, can you see this? Here. It goes through the entire track and comes back here. So you kind of just have to take it up and leave it there. Alright. Come on, Ryan. You can do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ryan, come on, they're quite high. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. They're almost there. Ryan, Sham, give me a 5.
No, now I need to do.
For you guys, we've left from the Nehru Science Center and we're actually just getting into Bandra. We're getting off the ceiling with the babies and baby and Divyesh and Farooq Hala, who's at the back. Sheikh left because her house is closer to that side of the city. The next 2 stops are Shah Rukh Khan's house. It's not a stop, it's just a drive-by, and Juhu Beach. So initially we thought we would go all the way to Juhu Beach, but we're all really tired. So we're going to do the drive-by from Shah Rukh Khan's house, and then we're all going to get off and call it a day. I'll update you guys more once I'm back home. There's a lot of noise here, so I don't even know if you can hear me at this point. And we'll catch up in a few seconds. Hi, Benny.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Renu auntie. Hi, Meenu auntie. So I came back from the Mumbai Darshan and got the kids here. Like Bhai picked us up and we came here. And I've been hanging out with my mom and all her friends, all her school friends, who are like they're like the gang. They're not like the mean girls. They're the nice
They're the
girls.
cool gang.
Yeah, they're the
cool
nice.
girls.
Maybe we should call ourselves the C gang.
The Spice Girls.
What's a C gang?
Cool gang.
Oh my
I thought
gosh.
something else was initially. My mind went somewhere else.
Oh my
She's
god.
com-
Late in the evening.
She completely undid the purpose of cool gang by calling it the C gang. So I just don't know what to say. But they are pretty cool and they are pretty fun. Ramaisa got me pizza gummy. And I've had some Punjab samosas and just chilling here. I will give you guys a full review of this Mumbai Darshan thing once I'm back home. Not now. Okay, bye. Hello. Okay, I know I look really weird right now. Is this a weird outro? Yes. But is this the weirdest outro I've ever done? No. I'm back home. I jumped in for a shower as soon as I got home. I was so tired, and taking a nice hot shower is one of the most relieving things ever. I'm so glad today happened. I have a couple of thoughts and final thoughts and a review kind of a thing to give you guys about doing a Mumbai Darshan. Did I have fun today? Yes. Was it tiring? Also yes. Was the day worth it? Because look, the fact of the matter is that wherever you go on like a tour, which is like a huge part of the city or whatever, does it get tiring? Yes. In any and every city or part or country of the world. I have done tours in other countries in the world, and every tour gets a little bit tiring, especially if it's taking up like such a large chunk of the day. This tour would have gone on till around 7 p.m. had we gone till Juhu Beach. We did not go till Juhu Beach. That's the only stop, which was the last stop, which we skipped because we decided to get off in Bandra. Okay, so did I have fun? Yeah. Did the kids have fun? Also, yeah. Did the team have fun? I think so, yes, because that's what they said and that's what I'm going to choose to believe. I think that we were all excited for different parts of the tour, but as it came together, the tedious thing was getting in and out of the bus. Do I recommend it? I kind of do. I would recommend that you do a Mumbai tour, maybe try and do a private version of it so you can really tailor it. But if you've never been to Bombay before, and if you want to know where Jackie Shroff used to live, or you don't know anything called Hanging Gardens, like for a complete genuine tourist to Mumbai, 100% I would recommend this. This was very, 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 very bachat friendly. I paid about 2100 rupees for like the bus tour in general for 6 people. Romaisa, who is 5, Rayan, who is 9, both are counted as adults. I paid 290 rupees for other service charges and C-Link charges and stuff like that. And then I paid another 1500 rupees to get access into Nehru Science Center for all 6 of us. You do the math, but that's how much I essentially spent. I'll leave a number up here on the screen for you, of course. And I think it was 100% worth it. Is this something I'm going to do again? The same thing? No, definitely not. But I am interested in going ahead and checking out the open bus, like double-decker open bus tour. I don't know if I'll take the kids for that because that's just something as a security concern I'm like a little bit worried about. So maybe that one will be just Jerry and me one fine Sunday at some point in this year. Which kind of leads me to a question, a very important question that I want to ask you. If you've made it so far into the video, leave a comment down below and say yay for 2022. So I know it'll be like a secret code between us and I'll know who's made it so far into this video. Okay, the Where Fam comment shout out for today's video goes to Shagufta K. You guys know I love reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. So I hope you will talk to me down below in the comments with your thoughts, your feedback, your love, your wishes and your honest constructive criticism also, because I'm here for it. If you're wondering what's flickering on my face right now, it's because I'm sitting in front of the TV in my night suit and all of that. Did not really set up a light. I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I will see you in the next video. Turn those bell notifications on, okay? Mwah. Love you. Bye.